Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ejelechi, and on today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create the perfect YouTube thumbnail. You know, if you want to get clickable videos, you need to focus on basically three things: the title of your video, your thumbnail, and your video tags. But today's video we're going to be treating basically thumbnail, and the editing software I'm going to be using for this is the Canva app. And let me tell you, the Canva app is for free. It does have a paid version, but you can actually use the free version to create clickable thumbnail for your YouTube videos. And let me also tell you that this editing software can be used on your mobile phone and also on your personal computer. So let's get into it. I've divided this video into 4 steps that would help you. It is beginner friendly and really very easy. The first thing I do, the first step is to choose a theme. What is the theme of your thumbnail? What are you going for? What colors do you intend to use? So you choose your theme for your thumbnail. The next step is to actually do your research. You could use 10 to 15 minutes to do this research. The research I basically do is to go on YouTube and to click the title of my video. When I do this, I look at what other creators are doing and what is actually working for them, and then I try to see what is consistent in each of these thumbnail, so I can pick what to include for my own thumbnail and how to personalize it. The third thing that I do is to actually get the images ready for my thumbnail. When I mean the images, I mean if I'm going to be on the thumbnail, I have to take a picture of myself. If I intend to take a screenshot of it in the video, I do that. If I have to include other images in the video, I do that. That can also include going on Pinterest, going to Google to search for things that I want to use for my thumbnail. And when everything is ready, I can now head over to the editing software that we're going to be using, which is Canva. Before we get into the tutorial, I'd like to say please like this video. It helps recommend this video to people that might actually need it. And while you are at it, please subscribe to my channel, because we always have fun on this channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you are the first to get notified whenever I drop a video. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to YouTube to do your research. So I'm going to type in how to create a YouTube thumbnail so I can see what other creators are doing and what videos are going to pop up and what is actually working. So I'm going to skim through, see what every creator is repeating. I can see that most of them have like a logo of the Canva app, of YouTube app, and um basically the write-ups are obvious. So we're jotting down what we're going to be doing for our own videos. So this is me skimming through YouTube thumbnails, easy and free. YouTube thumbnail, YouTube this, YouTube that. You can basically use a couple of minutes to do this research. It's absolutely necessary that you see what works for YouTube, what other persons are clicking on. These are the videos that are topping the rank, topping the chart on YouTube. So you would want to create something that is close to this, even if you want to also personalize it for yourself. So yeah, that is basically my research going on how to make YouTube thumbnails easy and free. Make professional thumbnail. There's an expression, there's an expressive person. So yeah, the next thing you're going to do is to head over to Google to remove the background of your image, because Canva app for free doesn't remove background. So we type remove background and then put in your image, you remove your background, and it does that for you. So easy. You save your image and then you can head over to Canva. This is the interface of the Canva app if you haven't seen it before. So when you get to Canva, you click on the plus icon, you search for YouTube thumbnail, and it's going to bring a template for you. Plus icon again, and you can click on upload. So you upload the video that you're going to be using for your thumbnail into the Canva app. you click on the color icon to choose a color. So what's your brand? What kind of thumbnail are you going to be doing? There are several colors to choose from. Let's pick this color, and then you can now click also on the plus icon to upload the picture that you have uploaded into Canva. You stretch it out to fit into the frame just like you want it to. So this is how to remove background if you have the paid version. You click on the plus icon, go to effects, you're going to see remove background, click on it. But we do not have a paid version, so yeah, the next thing we're going to do is to also go to effects and click on shadow, because I want a shadow on my image. I want it to glow. I'm going to look for white for the shadow, and then click on the white. Do what you want to do, your angle, your distance, your intensity. Just play around with it until you get your preferred, shadow the way you want it to be. This is what I like mine to be obvious. I'm going to move my image to this other side so I can have space for work. You're gonna go back to the plus icon and click text. Then this text bar is gonna come in. You type in what you want, and what we're going to be typing is how to make, you know the next thing. We're still going to click on the plus icon. You're going to do this for each of the text you want to write. We're going to click on the plus icon, text, and then we are going to type what we want. Then we're going to also choose the font that we want. There's a place for fonts. You pick your font size, you put it where you want it to be. It's basically self-explanatory. You can play around with what you want. We go to effects and choose an effect that has like a background to it. We move to the next one, click on the plus icon, YouTube, type YouTube, how to make YouTube. The next thing is thumbnail. Click on the plus icon, click on text, you type in your thumbnail. You're going to do this till you're done writing what you want to write. So how to make YouTube thumbnail easy and free, that's what we're going to be typing. But that's not just what we're going to be doing. When we're done typing, we're going to come back to each of these words because we want them to pop. We want them to be clear. So you're going to increase the font of that. Then you also go to effects and choose what color you want your text to be, because we want each of these texts to stand individually to be seen. Then you go to effects again and you choose a background. You make the text to have a background, so it's going to be obvious. You pick how that you want the background to appear. Then you choose the color for the background. I'm gonna go with yellow because I feel like it makes it pop. Yellow was it for me. We do that for the rest of the text. I'm going to pick different colors and different font for each text because I want them to stand individually. Do you understand? I want them to be seen. So that's what we're doing to the thumbnail. We click on the color we want it to be. Then we're also going to choose a background for it. We're going to pick a background color that's going to go with it. We do that for the easy and free text. That's what we're doing right now. It's basically very easy and explanatory. Once you get into the Canva app, I'm sure you should be able to play around all of this text and things. So easy and free. I'm gonna make that black and obvious. So yeah, so that's what you're going to be doing. And then we're going to move our image properly. You want the image and the words to be able to stand individually. So we have an image that has an expression. Next thing we're going to be doing is to add our logo. We click on the plus icon, go to effects and type in Canva logo. So you're going to see different logos pop up. You choose a free version of the logo, take it in, fit it into size as big as you want it to be. If you want it to be small, you reduce it. You do this by just using your hands to drag the logo. After that, you click on YouTube logo. You search for YouTube logo, rather you pick a free version of the logo, and then it pops in. You can reduce it as much as you like and you put it where you want it to be. So this is what we're having right now. You can adjust anything you want to adjust, change whatever you want to change, the colors of your text, the placement of your image, the background of your text. You just look at what you have and make it more presentable, make it more readable, if you get what I mean. So you go back to effects and you click on frame. You pick your desired frame, put it in. You adjust this by just clicking on it and adjusting it the way you want it to be. You go back to uploads and you pick an image of what you want to add. I want to add a thumbnail I did before. I adjust it. Once you make it smaller and put it in the frame, it just fits into the frame. So you do that, you adjust it as you like, which I'm doing right now. I just want them to have like a picture, if visualization of what my thumbnail looks like. So that's it. You can go over to download your image, your thumbnail, because I think you're done. But what I like to do is to create different versions. So after these downloads, I'm still going to work on this thumbnail so I have something to choose from. Do you understand? So I remember that in the during the research that we did, they had colors that were popping. So I'm going to choose a color that pops. Go back to the color of your image, of your thumbnail rather. You see different colors pop up, so you pick whichever one you want. I go back to my text. I'm going to go to effects, go to background of each of the text and adjust the background as much as I like. Do you understand? And when that is done, I can also download my thumbnail because my thumbnail is ready. So what do you guys think? Which of this thumbnail would you click? Which one do you think is better? Is it this one that has the color or this other one? So guys, now that you know how to edit your clickable YouTube thumbnail, I wish you excellence in your videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment for me in the comment section so I can officially welcome you to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.